Hello and welcome again on another video about Trafficera, the best website Trafficera. For traffic, to get traffic to your website, click here on Serve for Credits, and here the username and password, put them and start surfing. After that you will see this page. Wait 10 seconds and click on the matching number 69 like that and serve another. It's very simple, and serve another website to gather credits like that 36 the matching number, and you will go to another page, surf the pages, all the pages, and gather a lot of credits and gather clocks. You can see I have 5 clocks on 10, and you have to join a team to gather those clocks. Look at here, click on matching number, and it's very simple surfing on Trafficera. You can surf on Trafficera like that. It's very simple. Click on the matching number and complete surfing. It's a very simple surfing process. Nothing difficult. Surfing is very simple and not hard to surf. Surfing getting you a lot of credits, and these credits you could convert them on traffic or visits to your link, to your affiliate link, to your website, to all your websites. Click on the matching number and complete surfing. Like that, click on the matching number 65 and complete surfing. I will go to my account. That's the surfing process I have explained. Now how to surf. Click on my account. Click on my account here to go to your account. So now I have 22 Logibox on my account and 91,000 token. Look at here, I have Logibox or dollars. I am a silver member, as you see, silver member with 2 stars. Click on traffic and credits, and go to the bottom of the page, get Logibox. On the other section, click on get Logibox, and here, as you see, you can trade your credits with Logibox. Credits you can trade right now, 30,000 credits. I will click on here. Right, per 10,000 credits is $1.25 Logibox. I will click on 30,000, which I have the right now to trade. Look at the account balance and click on sell. When you click on sell, you successfully sold 30,000 for $3. Look at here, I have now $26.25. Those dollars are not for cash out, but those dollars for upgrading your Trafficera account. I will go now on my account. This is my account page. Now I have to go to upgrade my account from silver to gold. Click on upgrade. This is the upgrade option, membership option. Look at here, gold, for the gold and platinum and club. I will continue to gold. Look at here, monthly subscription for $90. And here 1 month prepaid $24, 2 months $45, 3 months $59. As you see, you can pay with Logibox. And click on navigate another side. I will check Platinum and continue to show you the prices. Monthly subscription. Here 1 month $34, 2 months $65, $89, 3 months. And for the monthly subscription $29. So I will go to upgrade, and here click on club and continue. Look at here, the prices of club membership is the highest price, $59 per month. You can pay with Logibox. I click on upgrade. Now I will upgrade. I click on gold because I have $26. Continue to gold. I will check the first 1 month prepaid. And here $24.99. And I have $26 on Logibox. I will pay with Logibox. I will pay with Logibox balance. Continue. Click on continue. So now we have the option or Logibox. Look, you can pay with MasterCard, Visa, or Logibox. I will click on pay with Logibox. Look at here, you've been selected as a candidate. Trafficera VIP offer. As you see, if you want to buy another reward, go to the bottom of the page. No thanks, I realized the price is not available inside the member area. Look, now I have $1 Logibox. Look, Logibox $1. Look, the silver member changed to gold member. Now I am a gold member. I have paid my membership from my Logibox. Click on trafficera, traffic and credit, and manage my traffic. And here you see my websites. I have added a lot of websites. I got traffic to them. From here you can add your website. Click on add a site here. And here the name of the website. Choose a name like that, URL. Put here the link of your website like this. This is the link. And the category here, select the category of your website. And check I agree to the above URLs website and add this site. And that's it. You can add it. That's it. That's the method. So I don't have accepted because just I show you. And here my account. This is my account and serve for credit. And here complete your surfing. And look, now we are a gold member. Look at the surfing with gold membership. I will click on 40. Look, I earned 9 credits. Look, 9 credits with gold membership. For every surf, you get 9 credits. It's huge. Look at here. We got now 7 credits. It changes every day. The rate is changes every day. Now I have 7 credits, 0.2, and that's it. Every month you upgrade your account, so the next level you get a lot of credits. And complete your survey. Look at here. I got a clock. I earned 8 credits, 0.4. Click on 51 like this, the matched number. And continue surfing like this. This is my account. Look at here, my balance. and my token, everything is clear. And here token lottery, get your ticket now. You have to get your tickets from here, the token lottery. Check out all the VIP benefits, my tickets for the week. So I will buy them. Here I have my tickets for this week. I have 30 tickets. I have bought them before I start recording the video. And teams, you can here join a team to get clocks. I am in this team, a new beginning. A new beginning is a team by Hank Stabbage. As you see here, I am in the gold member with this team. I am surfing with this team. So my account, this is the account dashboard. Everything is clear, gold member. Thank you for watching. See you next time on another video about Trafficera.